Wall right here in the Greenbrier Park.
Here it goes.
Here it goes.
Oh my God! Back up. Oh, yeah.
Let's do it.
Look at it. Dude, I timed it perfectly.
What,
I said 3.
You guys not want us to go back?
No, we're fine. And it was perfectly 3 minutes. This is awesome. Man, I should have time on the
Look at that. Just a few minutes ago was nothing. Now it is.
We were just standing there like 2 minutes ago.
Come on, rise it up. We got this to run.
Okay, that's fine.
What's up, buddy? What's up?
Right there around that tree.
Look at this.
Dang, look at that. Daddy, look at this. Right here.
I see it.
Holy, look at that.
Look at that. Alright guys, they're making us move back in farther. They're making us move back farther. Look at it flooding. Hey, how's it going? It ain't even got here yet, Mama. This is just the start of it. It ain't even got here yet. Look at this flood coming in. The guy says there's still more coming. This is the beginning of it.
Come on. This is unreal.
It will flood this place out.
No, we're all right.
I tell you, right there the 5 foot mark there.
Look at that. Can you sit down and see what it's like? That is unreal. Oh my God.
Stay back on the side, baby. Look at that water coming across.
Crap.
Look at that water flash flood right there, baby.
I
Greenbrier, Tennessee, Greenbrier, Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Stay back.
I said give it about 10 minutes. We come down here.
Check it out.
Roughly 9 minutes. All of a sudden, it. Everybody's recording. This will go viral on YouTube.
Look at that flood. Look at that branch.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
look, and
It's getting bigger and bigger. Stay back, baby. Stay back, Bill.
Look how high it is now. It's gonna flood.
Just in about a 5-minute period, we went from a couple inches of water to several feet and over the rocks. Can't see nothing out here.
5 foot problem. I say, let me take a look at it. It was like this, now it's this. I say that just happened in like 5 foot.
Some of the workers walk around making sure everybody stays safe. What caused all of it from that storm they just had?
Rain.
We was at the third bridge, and it was real calm, and I heard like a rumble of thunder, and it went from like this much water to just like the 5 foot in 1 minute. So I drove down here as fast as I could to get out of here, because I think those bridges are probably washed over now.
When we came through, you was in front of us, so whenever we came
Oh, you see the white one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And whenever we came through, the bridge was so fine, but we were just trying to get down here to get everybody out. Because we was on trail, and we heard it, so we kind of looked over the bridge there. And we
I didn't know what it was. I said, what's that? I thought it was wind or storm coming out there. What's that loud noise? It was like, whoa, like thunder and everything. I was like, what the heck's going on?
Yeah, and when the sky got that dark at 2:30, we knew there was something going on.
But you guys are prepared for this kind of stuff, man. That's why they have y'all in here to prepare for this stuff.
We're doing wildlife stuff.
Hey, get away from the water!
They're everywhere, man.
Come on, you couldn't make it in out there. You got concrete boots on.
I should record this with my gear. I can't. I don't have camera. Daddy, I don't have the camera app on it yet. So I can't video it with my gear. I'll just play.
Hey, Daddy, you should send this to WBI now.
Yeah.
Did you make a video, Mama? Guys, there's the warning for the flash flood warning for the area. Say that, baby.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave it. How long it takes? What? 30 gone. Look at that. That's Charlie River Rapids. I can feel the water. From the heat. Why is it so
Huh.